at Navin Prathamik Shala, Vishnambag, Sangli. Today, we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day in all over India. But what's the reason to celebrate this Independence Day? I tell you now. 74 years ago, our India was on British hands. 15th August is our Independence Day because India became free from the British rules on 15th August 1947. Some of the great freedom fighters became Shaheed to give India independence. Now today, after many years, our independent country is on the right track of development. Our India is our mother country and we are its citizens. So we should be always ready to save it from the bad peoples. It's our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country of the world. But remember one thing, this year celebrate Independence Day at your home and do not step out of the home without having a valid reason. Don't forget the sacrifices and hard work of health workers, doctors and every person who has been working to keeping us safe. Now I am giving my full stop to this speech. Again, Happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay home.
Namaste, my name is Ankar. I am 8th standard. I am new student in NPS school. Good morning to all teachers and respected principal and parents and my dear friends. First all, I wish you a very happy in Independence Day. Today, I would like to say a few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. We got Independence Day on 15 August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. We should celebrate this day with great spirit on this great occasion. He hosts our national flag and Jana Mana Mana his national anthem. We all must contribute for the development of our country so that no country can imagine rule on. So it is also our duty to work hard and this country development and process. Dear friends, let's work hard together to make our country the best country in my world. Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, everyone. Today, on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled our country. For around 200 years, great freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. After independence, we got our fundamental right. Today, we have the right to choose our government. We all are fortunate that we took birth in an independence.
Morning, teacher, principal, and all friends. My name is Aksharu Arjun Kalpurgi. I am studying in 8th standard. At first, let me wish you all happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. I would like to say that we must be Indian, so let's celebrate today with great Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, parents, teachers, and my all friends. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. My name is Pranav Rajendra Singh Rajput, and I really proud to represent this speech. This day is more important for our life because in 1947 we get independent from the British rule. Our freedom is our fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jyotirao Phule, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and many of others do their life devoted for our country, and that's why we have a fortune to born in an independent country. Our freedom is priceless because our soldiers are fighting on border continuously, and that's why we are safe, and we are know that no nation is perfect. It need to be a perfect. That's why our duty is to do our country growth and development. Then we can go to the that day when we are powerful in all field. Thank you.
Hello, respected teachers, principal, and my dear friends. My name is Chinmay Bharat Aitavde. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Navin Prathamik Shala, Visharambag, Sangli. I am going to tell you Independence Day. The Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15 August annually. It is a national festival of India. It is a special day for every citizen of India. India got freedom on 15 August 1947. The day reminds us the great freedom fighters of India. Their life is worth inspiration for us. We should never forget the more values of Independence Day of India. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Good morning, friends. My name is Parth Kishore Bhandari. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Navin Prathamik Shala. Respected teachers and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like thank to my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. On 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So, this day remarks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire that ruled our country for around 150 years. Hence, to commemorate our historic freedom, we celebrate this day with full passion and energy all around the country. Independence Day is a national festival and is also a public holiday. On this day, flag hoisting ceremony, parades by armed forces and school children, jockeys with dance, singing activities, etc., held in the different part of the country. But the main celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Red Fort, before the political and social dignitaries of India. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Martin Natra. Today I would like to say a field word about Independence Day. Or today I am going to tell you a field word about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of year on on 15 August 1947, our India got Independence Day, British rule. This day is celebrated on as the national festival. On this day, we remember about freedom fighter. We feel happy on this day.
आदरणीय गुरुवर्य व विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझे नाव जुई बलवंत जेवकर, इयत्ता 8वी. आज संपूर्ण विश्वात भारत हा असा एकमेव देश आहे जिथे भाषा, संस्कृती गुण्यागोविंदाने नातलं आहे.
भारतावर सातत्याने परकीय आक्रमणे होत राहिली, परंतु इंग्रजांच्या 150 वर्षांच्या कारावासात भारताची खूप मोठी क्लेशकारक परिस्थिती निर्माण झाली. टिळकांचे प्रखर तेजस्वी जहालवाद आणि महात्मा गांधींचा अहिंसा मार्ग या दोन्ही मार्गांनी स्वातंत्र्य मिळवण्याचे अथक प्रयत्न केले. आजचा स्वातंत्र्याचा दिवस, वर्धापन दिन त्याच अथक प्रयत्नांचा फळ आहे असं मानलं जातं. या स्वातंत्र्याच्या यज्ञामध्ये खुदिराम बोस सारख्या कोवळ्या वयातील मुलासोबत लाला लजपत राय यासारख्या वयोवृद्ध स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांची समिधा वाहिल्या गेल्या. अनेक लोकांनी आपल्या घरावर तुळशीपत्र ठेवले आणि जालियनवाला बाग येथे आपले रक्त सांडले. भगतसिंग, राजगुरू यांसारखे क्रांतिकारक यांनी फासावर चढले आणि तेव्हा कुठे स्वातंत्र्य आपल्याला मिळाले. आजही आपल्या देशामधले काही तरुण मुले सीमेवर शहीद होऊन आपल्या देशाचे स्वातंत्र्य बाधित ठेवतात आणि तिरंग्याचा मान राखतात. तिरंग्यातील केशरी रंग शिवाजी महाराजांचा झेंडा व संतांच्या पताका यांचे प्रतीक आहे. पांढरा रंग हा शांततेचे संदेश देतो, तर हिरवा रंग वसंत ऋतूमध्ये बहरलेल्या वसुधेचे वर्णन करतो. या तिरंग्यावरील चक्र सम्राट अशोकाचे विचार जागवते. अशा तिरंग्याला सलाम करताना ऊर भरून येते. सामान्य नागरिक म्हणून आपण आपल्या देशातील गाव, शहरे येथे स्वच्छता बाळगून स्वातंत्र्याला हातभार लावू शकतो. कोरोनाच्या या भीषण काळात आपण SMS चा पुरवठा करायला हवा. SMS म्हणजे सोशल डिस्टन्स, मास्क वापरणे व S म्हणजे सॅनिटायझर अशा या गोष्टीचा पाठपुरावा करायला हवा. भारताचे स्वातंत्र्य चिरायू होवो आणि या अशा शुभेच्छा देत मी माझे भाषण संपवते. जय हिंद.